Hey, what's going on, guys? How's it going? It's your boy Broadway J, the host here at Kickz and Beatz. If you're new, please hit subscribe along with like. I appreciate that. But anyways, what I have here for you guys today is Adidas Yeezy 700 V3 Safflower. Yes, that's the yellow one that just came out not so long ago. I believe November 14th was the drop date. Yeah, let's get into it. This is the fourth colorway, by the way. Here's the three that came out prior. This is the OG colorway right here. This is called the Azael. The Alvas came out afterwards, and then the Arizarith. Don't want to mispronounce that because I did in the past. But yeah, let's open the fourth one right here, Safflower. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. Definitely having a great day. This is actually, believe it or not, my #1 favorite silhouette when it comes to Yeezy brand. So like, it's to the point, as you can see, it doesn't even matter what colorway they plan on dropping. I'm just gonna get it no matter what. It could be the worst colorway ever, one that just looks terrible, and you will see me reviewing it at some point. It's that bad, guys. I really love the silhouette. And you know what's crazy? This is the one silhouette that does not have boots, so it's like I feel like it's like the least comfortable. Oh wait, the Yeezy 500 doesn't really have as well, but I feel like this is the least comfortable of all Yeezys, and I still don't mind. Like, because honestly, it doesn't mean it's uncomfortable. It's still a comfortable shoe. It's just not as comfortable as the others. So yeah, let's get into it. Shout out to g.o.a.t for this one, even though you guys take forever and you guys have been having issues with my other shoes. I tried getting you guys a lot of unreleased pairs this month, and I don't know, for whatever reason they keep canceling it. It's getting crazy, but I appreciate this one, even though I purchased it about 3-4 weeks ago. It's finally here. We can finally give you guys an up close, personal look. You know how Kickz and Beatz does when it comes to that up close and personal. But yeah. Oh hell yeah! What? At first, when I saw the images, like the leaked images, I was kind of iffy with this midsole right here, the colorway. But seeing it over here in person, it's pretty dope. I feel like we're wearing khaki sneakers. I feel like wearing khaki shoes with these. Khaki shoes. What's going on with me today? I feel like wearing khaki pants with these. Just by looking at this, I could tell I would probably want to wear khaki pants with these. Let's get this out of here. Gotta wear these. What size did I take for this? I took 11 or 11 now. Alright, take 11. I usually go, half a size up from true to size. That's what I do with all my Yeezys. But this right here, probably the tightest silhouette out of all Yeezy sneakers. Definitely. So probably wouldn't hurt to go up a full entire size. That's probably what I'm gonna do with the next one. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that with the next one. But yeah, let's give you that close up right quick. And from what I see here, there's 2 different tones of yellow, guys. There is 2 different tones of yellow. So you can tell right here too, in the center, it's not the same as the yellow on the edges here. These little dots here, different than these stripes right here. This is real nice, man. I'm not really into yellow. I don't have a yellow pair, added to the personal collection until now. Definitely. You guys see what I'm saying? Look at that. 2 different yellows. Yeezy Ortholite. Check out the bottom. Yeah, I really think this was a nice touch what they did down here with the orange. But anyways, it's time to show you guys how these bad boys look on feet. Let's get to it. Well, it's time to wrap up the video, guys. Thanks for tuning in once again. And just to let you guys know, we're getting close to that next giveaway. Yep, we're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. That's when it's going to be held. So you already know what time it is. Let your friends know if you can and whatnot. Got to bring it up there. Stay tuned. Another review coming soon. Peace. Take care.